I don't really know what to say to start off this video, so I'm just gonna say that. So this is the first part of this video is hunts, well, just clips of bird and mouse hunting that I did this year, and then I'll do something like this in the middle of the video that says these are the older clips from last year and possibly the year before. You can tell because I've got my old boots on. There's I don't know, a bunch of animals that aren't over there now at the farm, and the trees are really green and it's summer, you can kind of tell. But that's about all. I don't expect this video to get a whole lot of views, but I'm putting it out there just because I've got the footage. So thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Son of a gun. Look at that little midget. Buddy's just chilling there, eating on seeds, cause this, oh gosh, this right here is a hay feeder for the horses, and he's just chilling there. I saw him yesterday morning, so I put, are you kidding me? Oh, it's like, where's my daggone mouse traps? The horses must have got to them, but I obviously don't have anything. I had one in that can, so that is this thing focusing? Not really. Hold up. Okay, so I had a mouse trap in that can right there, so that the chickens wouldn't stick their heads in it and get their heads chopped off by a mouse trap. And then I had one under here. And we obviously didn't catch anything. I think the horses probably got to the traps. I thought they wouldn't, but they did. So I think I'm actually gonna just hunt this mouse. I'm gonna sit out here with a pellet gun and try and murk him. So that'll be in one of my videos. But here's another thing that happened very recently. We got a 5 chicks from that chicken that I call Hank Jr. She had 7, I think, last year. But she's a good mom. So that's nice. And the sheep are gone. No more sheep. Did we get it, y'all? I don't even know. We better go up there and take a look. Did we get it, y'all? I don't even know. We better go up there and take a look. Nope, I freaking missed it. Hit low? Are you kidding me? Oh man. Well, I'll just wait for him to come out again. Dude, I could have sworn I smoked it. Boy. Well, y'all, there was a starling in the top of that tree, and I was gonna shoot it, but I don't have any pellets left, so I can't shoot it. Now he's right up yonder. Right up there. He's right up there, taunting me, but I don't have any pellets left. I was gonna sit here and see if the mouse would come out, but to no avail. Well, I've only been here for a minute, and then I realized I didn't have any pellets, so dang. Alright, y'all, get ready for the mouse action. Got a clay ball and my homemade slingshot. We're gonna see if we can't get a mouse out of this tarp, and hopefully Arya goes and trees it in a tree. Happened last time. So get him, son. Oh, there's one there. Where you go? He's down here. Find him. Oh, I guess she's seen one. She's under the cabin now. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, there he is. Holy crud. No freaking way. He's literally staying here. Alright, stay. I hope y'all can see this. I got him! Let's freaking go, dog. Oh my goodness, you guys. I hope y'all freaking saw that. I smoked that mouse. Headshot. Missed it with the clay ball first shot. Hit right in front of him. Second shot. Headshot with a steel ball. That's what we're coming here to freaking trap. I got a pile of traps. Well, a couple of traps over there. But, so, y'all probably couldn't tell, but Arya dove under the cabin, and I stood over here, and she was just under there looking around, and I heard something over there, and I think there's a hole right here. Nope, that mouse didn't come out right there, so that mouse must have just crawled up and went, he just stood right here. I missed him. I don't know why he didn't run away, but I'm glad he didn't. And I smoked him. Let's see if we can get another one. I smoked him that time. And there he lay. Oh gosh, he's still alive. Dadgum. What are you doing? Her name's Big Deb. Here he is. Here is my sparrow. That shot that took him down, I actually just blew his wing off. I went out the door and there was wing feathers flying down. But what I did was I came in through here and I just peeked over, and he was sitting right up there. And I nailed him. And he was sitting there for 2 shots before, and then he flew down in there. And I shot at him once, and that's when I said I thought I got him. But I actually got him here. This is the first house sparrow that I have killed here in a long time. They disappeared before summer last year. So they just started coming back here for some reason. But got it with the 22 cal, and I'd say it did a pretty good job. So we're going to count that as a win. First kill of the hunting part of this video. So, thank you for watching. Doesn't that cat just look like the devil? I think that's a mom. She's got a kitten over there with her too. Start the old clips. Frickin' dropped him. He is dead right there. Dropped him with the old Ruger. We'll see if it's the male or the female. Dude, perfect shot. Look at that. Actually, is like that. Hit her right there. Exited out right there. Perfect shot. That is... looks like the female. It doesn't have a lot of blue on the beak, even though it looks like it. That is awesome. Let's go, man. Not gonna show my face. I can show that thing, but not my face in the same video. But wait, here comes a cat. Is that what you want? Come here. There you go, old son. I might wait here for the other one to come back. It might come back, so yeah, awesome. Got another one. Okay, I just realized that the starling is right here, you dumb cat. And their nest is in this big old tree, big old dead tree. Look at this. There's a smashed robin egg right here. They kicked some robins out of this tree to make their nest in it. That just goes to show how much of a bully they are. And I just killed one of them. So if that's the female, then that means the ones in this nest, if there are any eggs, they definitely won't be living. So nice. Got him. Oh, I see him. Oh, let me go grab the dog. Alright, here. Stay, alright. Oh, he's dead. Right here. That's nice. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. That's a nice one. Pretty. Hey, alright, look. Hey. Dead. He's dead. That's nice. Didn't even have to use Aria for him. Thought I would. Cool. I saw him. He flew from the top of that tree. He hit the ground over here where that blood is. He skidded and then he flew over there and just died. I didn't even wing him. Hey! Come! Frickin' dropped him. He's right here. Oh my god. Got that son of a gun. Sheesh, guys. Okay, well, it is a little graphic because I shot it in the head with a backwards pellet. So his brain case got opened up a good bit, but I hit him right here. You can see all the blood there. Hit him in the armpit. But let me show you what I'm going to do with this guy. Before I show you that guy, it's a male house sparrow. And it was right up there. Well, right up there. Strutting his stuff. Probably trying to get a female. But here you go, guys. Got yourself a bird. Mama will be happy. Get that good ASMR. Smoked him. we go. There's sparrow number, I don't know, probably 9 for the Ruger Airhawk or Blackhawk. I mean, that's a nice male sparrow right there. He was just perched up there. Right there's where the shot went in. Perfect shot, dropped him. I was afraid a cat was gonna get to him before I got there, because they're quick little sons of guns. But sheep, perfect. Got another one. I just shot a starling and I thought my camera was on, but it wasn't. So, yep, thanks for watching so far. Hopefully we get another thing. Alright, y'all. Nope, that's just a morning dove. It's a feeding frenzy.